Why do you shop at the Helmet Center as opposed to someplace else?
Well, number one, I've noticed for the last 4 or 5 years coming in here is number one, the knowledge. It's just not the knowledge, but they take the time to talk to you, which makes a fantastic difference than going to Harley and the other places, because all they want is the dollar bill and out the door. But here they take the time. They make sure that the helmet will fit if I'm buying a helmet. If I'm buying leather, they make sure that it fits properly. So that's one, is the main thing. They're responsible for what they do.
What is the best purchase you've ever made here? The one thing that you really just love?
Oh, that would be my Cardo. I love that. Going down the road, my wife calls me. That's about the only time I turn it off, so that she doesn't bother me. But with anybody else, especially when we're doing a ride and we've got 4, 5, 12 bikes in one group and 15 in another, we can talk to each other, letting them know how the road is, and it's perfect. And I can tell you here, I had a problem with mine. I didn't believe it. After a year, Mark took care of me. I wouldn't have expected that from anybody. And I just came in gracefully and just asked, and Mark said, you know what? You need that Cardo? Let me take care of you. Got a brand new one. I love the wind in my face. I've been in a few accidents, some bad, some not. But let me tell you, riding a bike, there's no feeling like riding a bike, going in the wind, and knowing that you can travel wherever you want. But you got to be safe. And you got to remember defensive driving all the time. There's clowns out there, and unfortunately, I'm one of them. So we got to take care of each other.